Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert PDF file to Word file for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, ilovepdf.com. And after you have found this website, you can open it. And we're going to use this website to convert our PDF file to Word. Okay, select PDF to Word, and then you can select PDF file from your device. I'm just going to select the media picker, and for example, I'm going to convert this PDF file to Word. Okay, and click on Convert to Word, and wait for a moment. And now the PDF file has been converted to an editable Word document, and you can download it, and the Word file will be saved to your device. This one, I'm going to open it. Let's see the result. Okay, as you can see guys, that the Word file has been created from my PDF file. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert PDF file to Word for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.